Boom shakalaka, the last time Bitcoin did this, price pumped 153%. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at the next move for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now today, fear and greed dead neutral 50, down from yesterday's greed of 59. The overall market sideways, Bitcoin at 63,819, Ethereum at 2620, and BNB at 594. Now, Bitcoin getting rejected from levels that we expected. There is the 200-day moving average. There is the top of the bull flag. There is also previous top resistance from August, and also some resistance on the volume profile when you zoom out far enough. All these things did reject Bitcoin price, at least temporarily. Now, if we think about things, we are 2 days past the launch date for Bitcoin. September 24th was the launch date based on the 2016 and 2020 bull markets averaged and scaled to this year. However, there is a standard deviation, and based on one standard deviation, that could go all the way out for another like 75 days. So maybe another 2.5 months until we could see a pump coming. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting right around fair value, which is generally where Bitcoin sits during halvings. But this halving, Bitcoin was a bit above fair value. Also sitting at a couple nice price trends right here, the 200-day moving average, what we were just talking about, in orange, and also in red, the short-term holder cost basis. Both of these levels, support, resistance, Bitcoin is just hovering around those levels temporarily. Now, one big reason why things maybe have been going sideways for a long time, 6 months plus, is that Bitcoin was front run this cycle. We saw an early all-time high thanks to the ETF approval in January and strong cash inflows. We actually saw the all-time high a lot sooner than we've seen it historically, 1080 days. We saw this well before 1080 days. Now we're just getting to those levels where, yeah, it's about time for things to go up. And you know what else it's about time for? That's right, Q4. You're not bullish enough yet. 4 days until October. Average returns in October, 22.9%. November, 46.8%. And December, 5%. So we have a couple big months coming up on average each month, 30-some%. So that could be an exciting couple months for Bitcoin. Could you imagine how altcoins would go crazy if Bitcoin continued this fractal from 2020? Basically, sideways megaphone and then breaking out and taking off. Could we have the same type of fractal? Oh, it's possible. Bitcoin right now has been toying with this trend line since 2017. This is Bitcoin versus the M1 money supply. Was rejected, rejected, rejected. Guess what? Broke out and retesting potentially could be finding support there and taking off, launching a trendline resistance for the past 6 years. The whole suite here, last time this flipped red, it signaled a great opportunity to buy Bitcoin during the dip. After the breakout, the price pumped by 153%. Guess what? The whole suite has flipped red again in recent months. And if we see another breakout, it could trigger a strong rally. We could be just on the corner of some very big Bitcoin moves in the upcoming months. If we flip the Bitcoin chart, these are the 2021 peaks right here. If we flip that, there is a nice left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This would be a regular head and shoulder, but on an inverse chart, inverse head and shoulders. Either way, $127,000 minimum target for Bitcoin. Breakout around 75,000 and then to the moon. Good things could be coming. Just taking a look at the Bitcoin cycle master, we are right now just in the center. Like, not even anything spectacular has happened yet for Bitcoin. Has all the way up to red territory to get to, meaning that, well, price likely going up high. How high? Well, 48 months, and based on these logarithmic trendline regressions, roughly $200,000 to $260,000 per Bitcoin by September, October of 2025. So things are about to get exciting. Who knows when? Just gonna hang in there. But that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter, @CryptoLove, subscribe to the channel, and watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.